Management deals with planning, controlling, forecasting, directing, leading, staffing, motivating, etc. The main characteristics of management can be highlighted as management is a goal oriented process at its aim is to achieve some definite goals and objectives. It is a tool which has to use human and physical resources to fulfill the predetermined goals. Effective management is always management by objectives. Whenever more than one person is engaged in working for a common goal, management is necessary. Whether it is a small business, whether it is abroad or here in Nepal, whether it is a vast farm, management is required everywhere, irrespective of a size or type of activities. Management is a multidisciplinary because it includes knowledge, information, and principles from various disciplines such as economics, statistics. It integrates the idea and concepts taken from these disciplines and presents newer concepts which can be put into practice for managing the organization. Management is a social process in nature. As it involves managing people, it concerns with developing, retaining, and motivating people at workplace and also care of satisfaction. Management has to reconcile personal goal with organizational activities for harmony in the organization. Management integrates human efforts to other resources, such as physical resource, financial resource. It brings harmony among the human, physical, and financial resources. Art as well as science means that management is both art and science. It is science as it has organized body of knowledge which contains certain universal truth, and it is art as well as it requires certain skill which applies more or less in every situation. Management is an ongoing process. It is a continuous, never ending function. It involves continuous handling of problem and issues. It continues as long as the organization. Management refers to a group of people involved in managerial work. Management function cannot be performed in isolation. Even the result of management affects every individual and every department of organization. So it always refers to group effort, not the individual effort of a single person. Management isn't static and it changes with the situation. The internal and external environment of business has great influence over the management. As change takes over this environment, same as implemented in the organization to survive the competitive world. Management function cannot be physically seen, but its presence can be felt. The presence of management can be felt by seeing the order lines and coordination in the working environment. Therefore, management is a continuous process in which men, material, and machine are controlled and the efforts are made to achieve predetermined goals. It deals with planning, controlling, motivating, etc. Let's revise the points once again. Universal phenomenon. It is also known as pervasive, continuous process, social process, science as well as art, multidisciplinary in nature, goal oriented, dynamic, group activity, intangible. Goal oriented, pervasive, universal phenomenon, multidisciplinary, group oriented, goal oriented, universal phenomenon, continuous process, social process, science as well as art, intangible,